How to withdraw USDT ERC20 from Trust Wallet. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can do that. First thing you can do is open up your Trust Wallet, and in order to withdraw the USDT ERC20, you just need to make sure that you have that on your account. So in order to do that, you can find on the top right corner the filter icon. Just tap on it and you can just search for USDT there. And once you've searched for it, you can just tap on it, and then from here you can tap on send. So from there, if you tap on the send USDT option, you need an address or amount. You can use any other wallet to get the wallet address where you want to send it. So open that up. And on the bottom left corner, you have an option. Just tap on it and search for USDT. Now you can click on I understand this address of the USDT token is on ETH network. You just need to make sure that it is on the ERC20 because Ethereum is the base for this network. So just go ahead and continue. Now you can copy the address here and then paste it right here. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, but you have to notice that you need Ethereum to be able to transfer it because it's going to require some gas fee for the transaction process. So it's going to cost you some Ethereum. Make sure you have that on your account. Now just confirm it. And if you don't have enough Ethereum on your wallet, you could just click on top of Ethereum, or you could just go ahead and top up your Ethereum by clicking on buy. And then you can use the third-party provider ramp here. You can enter your amount that you want to purchase, and it's going to ask you for your bank details or any other credit or debit card details to purchase Ethereum for your account. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.